Amazing facts about crows. Meet the crow, a bird with surprising intelligence. Did you know crows can recognize human faces and remember them for years? Not only that, they use tools like sticks to fetch food, showcasing their problem-solving skills. Adding to their remarkable features, crows hold funerals for their fallen companions, demonstrating empathy. Here's the kicker: crows can mimic human voices and other sounds, just like parrots. So next time you see a crow, remember, it's not just a bird, it's a feathered genius.